guys, today we are going to learn how to play the Nyame Yaw Asare by Nana Yaw Asare. I'm playing it at the key of F, so without wasting my time, let's move it please. Alright, so the intro goes like do we get it? This is D, F sharp, G. So, all right. So, then we move to very simple. C, A, F, C. All right. Then we come to D, F, G. We come to A, F sharp, G, C, A. Okay, so this is how it goes. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's move again. One more time. So this is how we play it, and the backing goes like do, so, re, so. Let's go. Do, so, re, so. So be any walk home, Nyame waka sampo chire. Free so you Nyame why. Mahini be any walk home. Okay. So so that's how we play it. It's very simple. People say it's very difficult, but it's not difficult. All right, so very simple. So